Create or download Bluestacks 10 and install it on Windows 10 or 11. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download BlueStack 10 and install it on Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, click on our Google Chrome right here. Click on type in download BlueStack for Windows 10 or 11 right here. But for me, I'm going to use my Windows 10. So download BlueStack app player on PC. Right here, as you can see, BlueStack is a popular Android emulator that allows you to run Android apps and games on your Windows 10 computer. So if you're excited to explore the world of Android apps on your Windows 10 or 11 devices, this tutorial is for you. And here, as you can see, there are options for Windows, optimized for Windows 11 right here, 32-bit, 64-bit, Pi, Android right here, also for Mac OS, as you can see, so for Windows right here. So let's try to download this one, download BlueStack 10, and let's click on save for the routing area of the application. And once the download is done, click here to install the application. So just click on yes right here. So it's checking the system now, and click install. So let's just wait for this to load right here. And upon installing, BlueStack can help you play Android games on your Windows devices. So here, it's also available for Windows 11, Mac OS, and just find the compatibility setting for your operating system, like if it's 32-bit or 64-bit. So let's just wait for this one to load. But right here, so the installation is done. Let's find it right here. So this is the one. So it's just checking for system requirements. Let's just wait for this to download and install. So the installation is done. Let's click on this one, so it will pop up automatically. Now let's just wait for this one to load too. And here you are. We have a BlueStack on our computer or Windows 10 or 11 devices. So let's just this one, get it right here. So here we have all the Android applications can be played or used in our Windows 10 or 11 devices. And that's it guys for today's tutorial on how to download BlueStack 10 and install it on Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.